Hi, I'm Stephanie, Certified Speech Language Pathologist, and I'm here to help you feel confident in supporting your littles through their speech and language journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Let's talk about purposeful play. What does that look like in the realm of speech and language? So we are very busy in our lives. Some of us are working. We usually are trying to get things done around the house. Sometimes our days include screen time for our littles so we can take a break or so we can get things done. Sometimes we're making dinner or doing laundry and our littles are playing independently so that we can get things done as well. So purposeful play is a great tool to add to our toolbox so that we can support our littles' language and speech development every day. What is purposeful play? It is when you are focused on their development in that amount of time, but doing it in a play manner. So in a more naturalistic way. What does it look like? Typically, we want to turn all the electronics off so that our little can focus on us. We want to take away those extra distractions that can take our little's attention away from whatever we're doing. So if that means turning the TV off, turning computers off, putting our phones down and unplugging for a little bit, putting iPads away, we want to just take away those screens and provide ourselves to our littles. Then get on their level. When we're working on first words, the three big key components are consistency in the words that we're using, clarity in models, and repetitions. So getting on their level provides that great clear model for them. So that's part of getting on their level in that purposeful play. Then getting on their level also takes away something called talk pressure. Talk pressure is when our littles feel very intimidated because we are professionals at language, right? We are all very proficient. We've been speaking our whole lives. This is not new to us. We just talk and say the things that are in our heads that we want to get out. But to our littles, this is very new and it can be very intimidating. Just like if you started learning German and then you were to go to Germany and everyone's speaking German around you, you might feel a little intimidated just speaking German as well. That's kind of how our littles can feel sometimes. So getting on their level reduces that talk pressure to where you're more of an equal conversationalist. So that supports our language production that our littles are putting out during this purposeful play. Then what you do is you play. You can start making sound effects for the different toys you're using. You can read stories, get face to face with them, giving that clear model. And that time that you're spending, that is such big quality time that really builds on their language and speech development. So we're all busy during our day. We can't spend all day on the floor with our littles. We have things to do. We have to make food for ourselves. We have to feed ourselves. We have to feed the people around us. We need to do laundry. We need to wash dishes. We are busy. But when you include purposeful play into your day, you're able to help support your little's speech and language development. And it doesn't have to be that long. We can do a focused 20-30 minutes every day, and that'll make the world of a difference to your little. So yes, we have lots of tools in our toolbox. Screen time is one of them. Independent play is one of them. Add in purposeful play. And that is where you can kick in that benefit of supporting your little and not having to add too much stress to yourself because yes, sometimes you need a break and that's okay. If you add in purposeful play, then your little isn't missing out on too much, right? We're supporting them in this manner so that later we can help ourselves. I hope that makes sense. Let me know how it goes or if you need some more ideas for purposeful play. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss anything. I'll talk to you later.